Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OnePlus Nord 4. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and here click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button and then click allow. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.